Rich people won't tell you, this business is very profitable. We are a source factory in China for small tractors and farm implements. We offer machines for cassava planting, rice and wheat harvesting, palm pruning, potato and peanut harvesting, and corn sweet seeding and fertilizing. Our compact crawler tractors work with 30-plus attachments for tilling, plowing, dozing, and more. Small, multifunctional, easy to use, perfect for wet and dry land. We have our own R&D team and can customize machines for different countries' terrain and crops. Many farmers want our machines, and many companies want to be our agents. We're now looking for distributors and offer free technical training, after-sales support, high quality, good price, low MOQ, OEM, and ODM available. The market demand is huge. Don't miss this opportunity. If you're interested, contact me on WhatsApp.